So a lot of people are trying to figure out how to most effectively use LinkedIn for their business or career development. I want to share with you some observations I've made over the past few months of working specifically on a project through this technology social media tool. The first thing that you need to remember is that LinkedIn is creating a conversation, so you really want to stay on this tool and visit this tool at least once or twice every day so that you can stay current on news going on for other professionals with whom you're linked and simply keep that social conversation going. The second thing is that you want to make sure that you have a professional portrait as your picture profile. The reason for this is first for recognizability. So if someone is at a local, national, or international event and they see you, they can immediately come up to you and begin a conversation or catch up with you if you haven't seen them very often. The second reason really is about your truthfulness. If you are using a photograph from 10 or 20 years before, first of all, people are not going to be able to recognize you, but second of all, subconsciously, they're going to question whether or not you are a trustworthy person. The third thing is you want to make sure that you have current contact information available. Make sure that you have a full phone number and a regularly checked email online. This tool is specific to business, it's specific to employment, it's specific for the exchange of goods and services, and it is specific for folks who are seeking global strategic partners for a variety of profitable partnerships. Please do not make them have to work so hard to reach you once they've taken the time to already look at your profile. Fourth, make sure that you're using professional conduct when you are interacting with people. Do not answer a telephone call from anyone if you do not have a good 20 to 30 minutes at least to talk to them. Do not ask people to call you back if you have no ability to truly schedule and keep an appointment with them. That again creates your trustability in the marketplace based on how you treat them. So the fifth tip of LinkedIn is to realize that this is a social media tool, and the word social implies the potential for an authentic interaction and potentially a transaction. And therefore, your customer service skills have got to be prepared, ready to handle when someone actually reaches out to you via email or reaches out to you via phone to interact with you. Because here's the thing, they probably already visited your website, they probably already read your profile, and so do not presume to be omnipotent to know why you think they're calling. It is your job in customer service, the demonstration of your brand, to help that person achieve the goal for which they are calling. And that goal will likely be the reason that people call using LinkedIn is they are trying to buy something from you, they are trying to sell something to you, they are trying to create a strategic partnership, they're just trying to figure out who you are because maybe you linked through another colleague and they want to get to know you better. That implies that they have already reviewed your profile. They've probably already taken the time to visit your website and they didn't find the information they were looking for, or they just wanted to talk to a live human being to see, are you really for real and what is your brand like? And the first minute that they have that conversation with you is when your brand is on display. Your brand is being assessed and evaluated through every moment of that experience. I'm Blake Ensign with Blaze Communications, an online and offline business marketing and methodology company.